Hello, people. This is Homeless Bill here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to another EAS Academy video. As you know, this is gonna be a good video just by looking at the thumbnail. How to make an evil voice effect for your scenarios, okay? Because a lot of users on YouTube love to make scenarios about themselves being evil, taking over the world, you know what I'm saying? But in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make an evil, decent evil voice effect. So the only app you need is Wavepad. That's pretty much all it. Excuse me. So just if you haven't installed Wavepad already, go check out my Android video. The link of Wavepad will be in the description. Um, so start off by recording. Okay, so I recently just recorded, and as you hear it,
I am evil doom guy, the one and only.
yeah, it doesn't sound good. So start off over here, go to phaser effect, put it around 10, and then look. Alright, I have to click OK. Stupid ad. Once you've got the look, now hear it.
Challenger, I am powerful, I am strong.
Sounds so good so far, huh? Yeah, but we're not done yet. Now we got echo. So just go here, up here to echo, and then go click OK. And now listen. Okay, before you ask, there is one more step you gotta do. Yes. So okay. Actually, there's a few more steps. Go here, click Amplify. Just do it once. Alright. Just so that way you can go up and down the audio file and click OK. Alright, so this is my method. It's amplified already. And then you want to go up here, and then you want to go to now Reverb. That's the next one. Alright. Decade time, 1/8. I will leave this up for a little while so you guys could copy down. But make sure the decade time is all the way up. Pre-delay, 50 down. Diffusion, make sure it's in the middle. And then just leave wet gain and dry signal grain to 0. Click OK. Now the reverb is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna. Actually, it's going pretty fast, so this is gonna be a quick video to show you guys because this is a simple, easy video. Now you wanna go up here for the last and final step. Auto gain. You wanna auto gain or normal file. I would go auto gain so it could be louder. I mean it. Yeah. Now we can listen for the final results. It sounds pretty good. Now you want to go here and whenever you think you're done, just click save file. I recommend just click save file as. You can just change your name. I'm just gonna go with this is just gonna be an example. So just gonna select all. I'm just gonna name this. This is just an example, okay? So we're gonna click save, and then you wanna oh crap, it's still okay. It's saving. Okay, good, it's saved. Okay. Now once you go here to your downloads, your official evil file will be here waiting for you. See, it's right there. Look. Oh. Booyah! See? So that's how you make an evil voice effect on Android. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please please tell us in the comment section below, and join the Discord branch if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye. Take care, peaceful humans.